guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bandi Cinema Nodona, and today we are here in Gaganachukki and Barchukki Falls. So we reached the falls here and we'll have to park the cars 400 meters before the falls, as in before we can enter the falls. So we parked the car, we are heading to the falls. Let's see how the falls is, because it is my first time here and I've got to hear a lot of good reviews about the falls and the scenic view of it. So let's go to the falls and let's explore how the falls is. Look at this aerial view from the falls here. It's amazing, and the water looks like a milk apparently, and it's very good. Such a scenic view, and you ride for 100 kilometers, you get this view. It's totally worth it, man. Every kilometer is worth it to get a view like this. And you can see the hilltop over there on the left. That is actually accessible, so we are actually looking for routes to reach there, and just to have that point of view as well. So the place looks very beautiful. This is my first time here. You guys also get this binocular view here of the falls, so it's pretty good here. You can also check it out, and you get the closer view of the falls. Since the current is very strong here, the only option for us to have a closer look of the falls is to watch with the binocular, and they charge very minimal. It is just 10 rupees, so I think it is affordable, man. You get that amazing view, and spending 10 rupees for that, I think it's totally worth it. Look at that, man. You can see the ladies, the grandmas, and the old ladies clicking selfies and enjoying that scenic view. That defines the place, how beautiful the place is. So after that amazing view of the falls, we are done here and we get to see this amazing sunset. How beautiful the Mother Earth is. So you all watched the footages of the falls. It was pretty amazing, and I'm sure you guys liked it. And you can see the sunset right behind me. So just as the sun is setting, our trip for the day is also ending. So see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, take care. See ya. We wanted to get near the falls, and we somehow explored the way to the falls, where we can just get into the falls and just see the water. And you get this dargah here. There's a masjidi, so you come here to the masjidi, and behind the masjidi you get to see this falls. So it's a busy street here, and it's about 6:15 now, and it's a very busy street, and you gotta go and get to the falls. So let's see. So guys, it's dark here, and we couldn't figure out the route exactly, but the view here is quite nearby comparatively. So the water currents are very strong. As you can see, the sound itself is a lot. So this is the view which I can show you guys in the end. It's quite dark. The GoPro is not capturing that well.